however you say that. Holzfforma from Farm Tech, and it's a G660 92cc chainsaw right here. 7 horsepower. It's got a max RPM of 13.5K. So this is, let me see, it can go up to a 36-inch bar. So that's the, it can do a 36-inch bar, maximum length 3/8 inch or 0.063 for the chain type. Chain sprockets is standard 7.2 3/8 inch pitch. Chain lubrication, fully automatic oil pump. Bar oil type 10W-30. That's about it. So fuel mixture, which is kind of rich for a chainsaw. It says 25-1. Huh? That's kind of interesting. Usually it's 30 or 40. Seems pretty rich on the oil.
Let me open that. See what's inside.
Look. Warranty period. Warranty period will begin on the date the utility equipment engine is purchased by the initial purchaser, and you have signed and sent back the warranty card too. If any emission-related part on your engine is defective, the part will be replaced by incorporated at no cost to the owner. Any warranty part which is not scheduled for replacement is required maintenance, or which is scheduled only for regular inspection, the effective repair or replacement necessary with warranty for the warranty period. Any warranty part which is scheduled for replacement as required maintenance will be warranted for the period of time of the first scheduled replacement point for that part. Any questions? Anyway, and all the parts are like interchangeable. So I know it's a knockoff and it's a clone, but at least when it breaks, you can buy parts still in the good old USA. Let's get down to it right here. So, here we go. Anywho, this is what it's looking like. There it is.
Ted, what's that? I'm gonna sit in your way.
It's probably for the air filter. Keep that on. There you go. Take that off. Alright. It's all very oiled up too. Everything's oily. Oh, listen to that. Nice. Not too heavy. Not too heavy at all.
Let me hold it.
Hold on. Let me look at this. Let me flip this.
I did hold it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you hold it. Here we go. Alright.
It's too heavy.
Yeah. Try it again. You got it.
Yes.
You got it.
Yeah, but
Yeah, boy. Alright.
actually it's heavy.
Alright.
The camera.
Looks good.
10.
What are we gonna do now?
10
So,
line of 60.
I did buy
4 feet.
an exhaust upgrade.
So look at this mess.
Highway. I guess I said this right.
Look at
Highway
this.
sells a muffler for the
Nice.
066 front cover plus spark screen. This is supposed to give a little more performance
That you guys bring.
for this guy. So, let's see what it looks like.
This is very awesome. It's this.
Yep.
Open
Very
this.
nice.
Open this.
Wait, not yet.
Something's inside.
Let me show you this.
What?
Let me see. What does it look like? Huh?
What did this look like, camera?
What does it look like? We're gonna have to take this off to really see the difference. But it comes with the gasket. There's the cover. There's a spark arrestor. There's a screen in there.
Oh yeah, you got it.
We got it. There you go. Oop, there's the screws. Them screws out of there. Hold on.
Now open this now.
Alright, hold on. I want to look at this. Show people this.
Do not say pop these, but actually.
So I guess here's the cover.
Let's see what's inside.
So the main cover going on top of that looks like, that's what it looks like. There's the business of it. Here's the inside. And it's got a nice metallic
Daddy,
gasket.
open it. I
Check
can't
it.
open it.
Yeah.
And I will read all the pages.
Okay.
Camel, this is actually the goodest thing ever. I will show you. The next page is awesome. Oh, that's better. So let's read.